What's going on, guys? Just bringing you an update video on the car. The car is running really good now. I'll show you in a minute what the engine looks like and basically what else I found as far as like the oil leaking. But just to give you a background on the car, when I got the car in late January, it had like 126,000 miles, give or take. Now it has 128,000. So far I've done the clutch to it and that cam cap seal basically. But yeah, let's take a look. Turns out that after replacing that, it wasn't my only issue. After that, I did see still some residual oil that was here. It turns out that it was the rear main seal, and so what I did to resolve that issue was I went to the auto parts store, I did some research, and found that there's this basically polymer based oil or fluid that you could put in your system. It's AT205. I really do stand by it, guys, because as you can see here, after cleaning it up 2 days ago and then taking a look at it again, there is like basically nothing. It's pretty much dry. So yeah, so if that doesn't solve your oil leak issue and then you still have some oil in this area here, it's probably your rear main seal. If you don't have time to do the job then and there, I'd recommend maybe like just doing that, the AT205. But yeah, guys, that's it. Pretty much my car is running pretty good now, and the next thing I'm gonna do is do the bleed the clutch. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and catch you in the next one. See you.